So good afternoon. Today is 9th of May 2017. Morning से there is nothing there on there is nothing happening in Nifty. कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि it's just stand still. Although अगर like if you see broadly, then ऐसा लगता है कि Nifty support ले रही है 50 moving average पे, 200 moving average पे, and it does plan to go up. But अगर आप market में देखेंगे, इस space में देखेंगे जहाँ पे कि बाइंग एंड सेलिंग होनी चाहिए, वहाँ कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है. लाइक मार्केट इज जस्ट स्टैंड स्टिल. देयर इज नो मूवमेंट एट ऑल. जो भी कुछ होना था अर्ली मॉर्निंग के हाफ एन आवर 45 मिनट्स पे हो गया था. जो भी बाइंग आनी थी वो बाइंग मॉर्निंग आवर्स में हो गई थी. जो भी सेलिंग आनी थी वो भी सुबह के घंटों में ही आ चुकी थी. ठीक है, उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं है. इवन यू नो लाइक इफ यू लुक इनटू HDIL व्हिच शोड ह्यूज मोमेंटम टुडे, after initial half an hour it just went like slow. Again there is a bit of buying that looks to be coming in over here, but otherwise इसमें कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा था. For past 1.5-2 hours there was nothing. So when market में कुछ नहीं होता, it's time to upgrade our skills. So there are two things that I thought of today. एक मैंने सोचा एक नया इंडिकेटर पे काम करते हैं, and I think एक हमारा ये सेटअप हो गया. एक हमको इचिमोकू को अच्छे से समझना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो इचिमोकू को समझते हैं. तो मैंने इसको ना अपने GCI पे लगा रखा है. सिंपली जो भी इसके डिफॉल्ट पैरामीटर्स हैं उसको लगा रखा है. ठीक है, तो इचिमोकू में क्या होता है, देयर आर 3 लाइंस. ये लैगिंग जो ऊपर आपको दिख रही है, ये इट्स कॉल्ड द लैगिंग लाइन. ये मैं भी आपको काइट पे दिखाती हूँ. और ये बीच में जो रेड कलर की लाइन आ रही है ये स्टैंडर्ड लाइन होती है. एंड द थर्ड लाइन इज बेसिकली द रेड वन इज द टर्निंग लाइन एंड द ब्लू वन इज द स्टैंडर्ड लाइन. एंड ये जो दिख रहा है आपको नीचे ये सारा क्लाउड है. राइट, क्लाउड के ऊपर अगर प्राइसेस हैं देन द मार्केट इज बुलिश. ये निफ्टी है, निफ्टी इज अबव द क्लाउड, सो इट इज बुलिश. लेट्स सी, कभी ये नीचे भी था, prices were sometime below also, right? So that was the time it was bearish. Above the cloud prices are always positive. तो क्या होगा, जब भी कभी कुछ प्रॉफिट बुकिंग आएगी तो prices will drop down, इस क्लाउड को टच करेंगे एंड देन वापस चल देगी निफ्टी. लाइक सी many a times if the market is very very bullish, it'll just go touch the cloud and come back. So first level of like basically Ichimoku में क्या होता है कि you have all the 3 past, present and future, everything over here, right? तो past कहाँ से आता है, ये जो lagging line है that gives you the past. Future, present कहाँ से आता है, ये जो present values है market में, market की, that gives you the present. Like for example here, this is the present value, जहाँ पे turning line है और ये prices है, ये present है. और ये जो ये future है, ये जो आप ये आगे को projected सा part देख रहे हैं, this is the future. So all 3 things happen together in Ichimoku, right? So it is a very very powerful method, and it's a Japanese technology, and it is like the best 10 books, best books repeatedly for the years in stock market was based on Ichimoku. तो now see this is our setup. इस पे भी हम लगा के देखते हैं. फिर ऐसा करते हैं उस केस में हम बाकी के सारे अपने जो RSI, MACD और मूविंग एवरेजेस है उनको हटा देते हैं और केवल हम इचिमोकू को रखते हैं. राइट, आई विल टेल यू लेटर ऑन, वी विल बी कंबाइनिंग अ फ्यू मोर पैरामीटर्स सो दैट वी गेट अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. एंड जो भी इसके ये डिफॉल्ट पैरामीटर्स हैं 9, 26, 52, 26 यही होते हैं ज़्यादातर, इन्हीं को हम एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं. सो कैन यू सी दिस लाइन? दिस लाइन इज कॉल्ड द लैगिंग लाइन, राइट? This line is called the turning line. This one is a standard line, right? And then you have the cloud over here. ये HDIL है, right? तो जब भी कभी like prices and the turning line along with standard line cross the cloud, whichever direction, अगर नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ कट करता है तो prices जो है bullish हो जाते हैं. तो ये HDIL था. इसने 8 यानी कि yesterday 15 मिनट का टाइम फ्रेम है, बिकॉज आई प्रेफर ऑलवेज 15 मिनट्स बिकॉज आई फील whenever I have back tested it gives me the absolute accuracy, a good accuracy. So here it crossed the price, and Ichimoku is a very very powerful tool. So people, I mean, we could have longed our, you know, like after these 3 candles or 4 candles or maybe 5, 6 candles, we could have taken a position in Ichimoku by basing it on Ichimoku. Okay, so this is 89.43 pe we could have taken and it's gone over here. So ये 15 minute का है. If you want to do a positional trade, you can always go back to 1 day, right? 1 day में कहाँ पे देखते हैं क्रॉस हुआ था cloud? It crossed over at about 67, so right, 68 के आसपास जो है क्रॉस आया था, and one can just buy and keep a particular stock in their, you know, portfolio. And जब ये देखिए, ये this was a downward direction. जब HDIL ही है, जब इसने क्रॉस किया था 94 को और 94, जब these 3 lines crossed together, it went down to about 56 और 56 पे सपोर्ट लेके again it started moving up. ठीक है, so this was HDIL. Now let's see a few more stocks on Ichimoku. Let's see how do they look like. Some of the stocks that we did talk about, you know, let's see how do they look right now. Let's see Chambal Fertilizers. So see how like the cloud is way far, you know, like it is such a beautiful graph that you have right now. No, there's no confusion. It'll take a lot of time for it to turn. Let's see Jet Airways. How does it look in Jet Airways? This is the 1 day graph, right? So this is how it took a turn at about 415, and uske baad Jet Airways is going only upward direction. Right? Let's see what's happening in CUB, City Union Bank. So the graph, all these 3 averages cross somewhere here, 152, right? हमने भी इसी पॉइंट पे खरीदा था, if you remember, 140, 150, 48 और 150 के बीच में हमने खरीदा था, और तब से लेके ये रन अप इसने दे दिया. So Ichimoku में I'll explain you in more detail probably in the 1 or 2 coming up videos that how are these values are calculated and how is this cloud formation takes place and what should be the best trade setups. We will be discussing about them in a few upcoming this thing, but what I could suggest you, if for a while, see here, there is a good beautiful run up. Can you see? This is a in City Union Bank starting from 84, 87 से लेकर और 144 तक there was a very beautiful run up. Look for such opportunities, you know, like Ichimoku को use करके you can apply it in on 1 day and look for such opportunity. When you get such opportunity, it will give you a good return. So what I was saying that, you know, let's now see, now we have one setup which is based on RSI, MACD and on moving averages, right? So that is one setup. That is a very simple setup, very simple setup, any layman can understand. So, you know, some people say that was a lagging behind setup, this is a leading setup. I really don't care lagging or leading. My only and ultimate aim is कि profitable होना चाहिए, बाकी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लीडिंग हो या लैकिंग हो, कोई उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अब ये कैनरा बैंक है, राइट? कैनरा बैंक का सेटअप ये है. सो आज देयर इज अ प्रॉफिट बुकिंग, डेफिनेटली दिस इज अ 1 day ग्राफ, but otherwise the graph is pretty nice, you know, pretty nice and upward trending, but in 15 minutes it has crossed in the downward direction. So that is why there is a bit of cause of concern, right? So this is Canara Bank. अगर आपको डे ट्रेड करना है based on Ichimoku, then your time frame should be either 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Then from there you can take a call. And अगर आपको positional trades करने हैं, then your time frame should be either 1 day or it should be 1 week. Right? Let's see what's happening in its 1 week graph. So 1 week graph also, everything is like above the cloud and everything, or the candles are also above the cloud, above the trend line and the standard line. So it is a really reasonable, it's a very nice setup, you know, for Can Bank. Okay. So this was one thing that I wanted to show you. Just use the default parameters. I'll explain you what does this lagging line mean, what is this standard turning line means, what does the standard line mean, what are these clouds and how are they formed. I'll explain you everything, right? But the only thing, let me quickly tell you, ye jo line which is behind actually tells you the past. This is your present and this is your future. So everything is over here. So you don't need to, like, it gives you very fast, quick, you know, results. So this was Ichimoku. Now, let's go back to Nifty and see, is there any kind of movement that has come in? So, Nifty is kind of becoming a bit more positive every second. So, I mean, I have a feeling now, since the candle have just left it, it may, it may be, see, even the lagging, line has taken a support from the standard line and it's gone up. So there could be a possibility that the Nifty may go up, right? But थोड़ा सा ना आपको ये complicated लगेगा to begin with. But एक बार once you get used to of it, then you will see the clarity is going to be absolutely different. You'll be able to see each and every line separately. Like see here, you can make out. So there, wherever there is a bit of confusion, I usually prefer to stay out of such trades. Like until there's a clarity, don't do the trade. Like when you get such a downward trend, sell. When you get such a beautiful upward trend, somewhere here, you can just lock in, along your position. The distance between the lagging line, trend line and the cloud should be quite decent. It should be big. When it is so, you will find that the trend is going to be longer, right? That is what my own observation is. So Ichimoku is something you can start applying, and even I was looking into over here in GCI platform. So also here, like it looks very nice. This is 1 hour graph, but let's go to 15 minutes. 15 minutes graph doesn't give that beautiful clarity, but 1 hour graph had quite a lot of clarity. Or let's say go to 1 day. So 1 day is so nice. 1 day is actually just awesome. So here, see how the 3 lines crossed at this particular point. And after that, Nifty, somebody could have bought it at this point. Nifty could be bought at the point of 48. I hope it is Nifty. No, this is Nasdaq. Here. This is Nifty. If one would have bought Nifty at about 8380, right, when these 3 lines have crossed and crossed the bearish cloud, then see from there it has given you good 1000 points, right? Good 1000 points within 3 months one can get. So this could be a very, very powerful indicator, and let's start using it and finding out some trades. All right. So start applying this strategy, this particular indicator, and start identifying graph. And then I'm going to give you a few more strategies once you get comfortable with Ichimoku. All right. Have a good day. Something new we have learned today. And tomorrow or the day after, probably I'll teach you how to put the box order, right? When you have a day trade, which I would like you to be 100% convinced about. When you're convinced about 100% about a day trade, then we will do, I'll tell you how to use, box order. That'll be bracket order. That'll be almost like semi-automatic. You don't have to do anything. Once you have put the order, everything will be taken care by the system. So that is what I will teach you probably tomorrow or the day after. Let's see how Nifty goes. So all the best, guys. I'm not giving a stock because there's nothing which is happening. And although there are many stocks, and one question I want to answer. Somebody has asked me कि lifetime के लिए कोई आप stock दो, तो मेरा stocks अभी भी आज भी वही stock है Philip Carbon, right? This is what my stock will be, Philip Carbon, and this is going to be for as long as you want to leave it. Like leave it for. See, this is the graph. This is the beautiful graph. You leave it for 10 years and forget about it. And you see how much benefit you will get from this particular stock. And एक और stock जो मैं आपको बार-बार बोल चुकी हूँ, वो है GNFC. वो भी बहुत अच्छा stock है. अगर आपको लेना है, लेके अपने portfolio में डाल के छोड़ दीजिए. That will also give you an excellent return. ये 1 day का graph है GNFC का. ठीक है? So these are the 2 stocks that I would say कि for years you can keep it for your children and the grandchildren, and they will give you an excellent return, right? All the best. Have a good day. We'll meet tomorrow with something new. Bye-bye. Good day.